Welcome to Disney's Hotel, New York, the Art of Marvel, where we have been staying for the past couple of days at the Empire State Club level. In this video, we're going to take you for a little tour of what's available here in the hotel. We'll have a little look around. We'll also give you a room tour and our final review of what we think the stay here has been like. So we begin here in the reception, and then we might as well head into the New York boutique, which is the Hotel New York shop. And in here we have Marvel items galore. It is Marvel, 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 all the time. Which, personally speaking, I actually think is a little bit of a disservice to the hotel shop. This is the second most expensive hotel on resort, second only to the Disneyland Hotel. And the hotel gift shop here does not have resort-wide items available as you will find in the other hotels. It is Marvel. It is all Marvel. And if you're a big fan of that, that's great. But personally, I just think it's lacking and it's missing. It doesn't even have the regular sort of pin boards where you would get all of the different types of pins. The Empire State Club private check-in and concierge. Followed by the Empire State Lounge, where you can go for breakfast and snacks and tea time and drinks to your heart's content. Over here is Marvel Superhero Station, which is a fun place to come and get some photos inside your favourite Marvel scenes. Collector's Cube, pretend to be Captain Marvel. You've got Iron Man, Thor, Black Panther, Spider-Man, Doctor Strange. And of course, here is where you'll do your Avengers characters meet and greet, which you can book on the app every morning / afternoon. Following through, this is the convention center area of the hotel. A lovely red atrium style building here. There's things like toilets. There's a boardroom down there. We've got the Grand Ballroom F, the Grand Ballroom A, and more ballrooms down that corridor just there. Two restaurants here in the hotel, Downtown and Manhattan. Downtown we have reviewed on the channel, so go and check that out. Coming this way across reception, we head towards the Kids Club, Pool and Fitness Room. We have the Bleecker Street Lounge as well. You can get things like coffees and drinks. Coming down this long, ominous corridor, we go towards the pool and the fitness center and the Marvel Design Studio, which is just here on the left. This is where you come if you have kids and want to put them in, and you can do some drawing here, yeah. Can't you? Know, you can learn to draw.
And you've got some drawing lessons.
You do some lessons here as well. Oh, fantastic! And I'm guessing that's all free to the people who stay in the hotel.
Yeah.
Perfect, thank you. And here you have the fitness center and the Metro pool. Now the fitness center is open 24/7. The pool 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. high quality machines. You've got cross trainers, treadmills, weights, plenty to keep yourself fit. And this, as I said, is open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. So this pool here is 5 feet deep with a jacuzzi slash hot tub at the end. And then there is an outdoor pool as well, but we won't be taking you out there. These are really fast lifts as well. There's Doctor Strange, master of the mystic arts. And this, boys and girls, is us. 8201. We'll start you right here. Plenty of storage. I mean, hanging here were robes and slippers, but this is our checkout day. I figured we'd film this on the checkout day so I could give you an honest review of what staying here was like as well. So we'll take you through into the main room where we have 2 massive queen-sized beds. They are not small, they are way bigger than doubles, way smaller than kings. Through here we've got plenty of seating, plenty of storage. We have a coffee machine, Lavazza, and of course a kettle in the room as well, and plenty of water at your request. And in this drawer, things for the coffee machine. Down here we've got a fridge, we've got a mini fridge, so you can store all your drinks in that and make sure they're cold and the like. And then a huge open space over here with a little table. There are usually a couple chairs over here, but we put them over there because I was actually sleeping on a 3rd bed that was here because there were 3 of us, and there was ample space for that. Also, it's the art of Marvel, so we've got Marvel artwork all over the walls. Doctor Strange piece of artwork, which is really nice. Miles Morales, Spider-Man, huge Miles Morales portrait on the wall there as well. It's not overly themed, it's not in your face colourful or anything like that, but do you know what? It's really nice. And the TV, because people might be wondering, is there a TV? Well, it's inside this massive mirror. So you just click that and on goes your TV. We're in 8201. Yeah, it's huge. And you can do things like aircast to it from your devices, and the same with a Bluetooth speaker in the bathroom, which you can also connect to via this TV. I don't know if they all come with showers and not baths anymore, because they have changed and updated this hotel. But we have a very large modern style sink, a very large mirror. We've got a shaving mirror and ports for your shavers here, and other power outlets. I've actually been plugging my mobility scooter into charge in here because the charge is quite loud. We've got some freebies. We do like a freebie. Let's see what we've got here. So this is a Hotel New York, The Art of Marvel comb. We've got a shaving set from Hotel New York, The Art of Marvel, and a vanity set. We also get some soap as well, which we will take with us, and we might give some of this away actually on the channel. We've got a very, very large shower, rainfall or handheld here, with your toiletries on the wall, which are shampoo, conditioner, shower gel, all very nice quality stuff. Been using it the whole trip. It feels good, it smells good, it's great. And I would say you could probably get 3 people in that shower if you really wanted to. If you're that way inclined, 3 people would go in there quite easily. And then we have a sliding door here, separated off from the main bathroom, and in here is the toilet. So there it is. Now, power outlets, we have plenty of them. We've got them at bedside alongside your light controls here, a USB here in the center bit, another power port over there, but here is where you really get your power. So you've got HDMI, so you can plug external things into the TV, USB, 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 2 power ports, a British power port, oh, and another French power port there for good measure. So you are not going to struggle for power. I want to talk a little bit to the experience we've had here. Sorry, I'm just out the shower. I can only speak for myself, but I have really enjoyed my stay here at the Hotel New York, the Art of Marvel. I think being at the Empire State level has really made the Disney difference, if they want to call it that, because we've had a private concierge and they have catered to our every whim, our every request. They valet parked the car, they brought the luggage to the room. We have the luggage right here waiting to go. I'm just going to phone them in a minute and they're going to come and collect it, and then when we are done in the parks it will be brought to us, as well as our car, which will be brought to us as well. Now these are the kind of perks you get staying in a 4-star hotel, I assume, or at least club level in a Disney 4-star hotel. And they're new to us, and I found it a bit strange. I really have. There are some negatives. We're on the 8th floor and Lisa is definitely afraid of elevators, so she's had to be going up 8 flights of stairs. But the lifts here are super fast if you will use them. They do a nightly turn down service where they come in and they get your bed ready for you to sleep in. They also provide some Marvel Infinity Gem suites at that time for you to enjoy. Nice little perks, nice little touches, means we have left a little €25 tip for whoever comes to clean the room. We have really enjoyed it. Would we stay here again? I mean, let's talk about the tea time for just a second. So you get an afternoon tea time staying at club level down in the Empire State Lounge. Now, this used to be a buffet service and it no longer is. So they just bring you a tray of food. You don't get to choose what that food is, and they're bringing the same amount of food to a group of 1 or a group of 4. Personally speaking, there wasn't much I ate on there. There wasn't much Lisa ate on there, and Natalie she will eat anything, so she just polished off the plate. But the problem is, that meant we only went to the tea time on the first day because we just didn't want it. It used to be a buffet service. The other hotels here with club level still offer a buffet service, and I think it's just a massive letdown to not have that option available. Although the free drinks, Coca-Cola in glass bottles, juices, coffees, hot drinks, whenever we wanted them, was a very, very nice touch indeed. I have enjoyed my stay here. I found it extremely comfortable. I have found that the staff have been extremely attentive, and unlike any other hotel that we've stayed at here at the Disneyland Paris Resort, wanted to take care of the guests, and I think that is very, very important. But let's get down to the brass tacks of it. How much did this room cost for 3 nights for 3 adults, 2 of which had tickets included and 1 of which was an annual pass holder at club level? We paid in US dollars because it was the cheapest way to do it. Booking through the American site was $2,000 US. So this is not going to be for everybody. It's certainly not something we could afford on a whim to do. So if you have enjoyed this review, some of the videos from this trip, some of the other videos we do over here on the channel, then please hit that like button. It certainly means a lot to us. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and of course you can become a member right here on the channel for just 99p a month and help towards the cost of some of these trips. But we do appreciate you. We appreciate giving you honest feedback, because we're not sponsored by any of these companies. We don't work with any of these companies. We don't take any freebies from these companies. And if we were to be offered freebies from these companies, we would only do it under the caveat that they cannot editorially control what our opinions are. But this is a nice hotel. There are some things that strike against it. I really enjoyed the pool. It wasn't heated, but none of the pools here at Disneyland Resort are. And we are only imparting our honest opinion of what we have experienced onto you to try and help you make an informed choice as to whether or not you would like to come here. Thank you for watching this one. We will of course speak to you in the next one, and bye for now.